Hello, good morning. Welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. You, of course, are here for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Um, Pretty simple tip idea, but I might as well prologue this with an appeal for you to subscribe. Go to my webpage, somedayfarm.org, or go to my YouTube channel if you're not already there. Subscribe, like a few of my videos, share a playlist or two, share an individual video. Um, Perform an online review. I don't know if perform is the right word, but write an online review somewhere for me on Google or Yelp, for example. Donate some money if you can. At the end of this video, I append a series of ways, hopefully make that easy for you to kick in a couple bucks or many bucks, I suppose, if you're rich, please. Um, and hi. Oh, I think that didn't get on the camera. The bird just flew, picked a strawberry that was growing, and flew off. So I had a beautiful moment of like 3 feet away of the bird with the strawberry, a dark colored bird with the strawberry in its mouth, in its beak. It's fantastic. Anyway, that's so great, like an omen. So today's Tàijíquán tip is to participate in a ritual or a ceremony obviously related to your art or the culture that your art is from or the place in the world or something that your teacher cared about. Needn't be religious, although it could be if that works for you. It might be a ceremony that you've kind of lost touch with or you never really did much and you saw it a few times and or you participated a bit. Maybe it's one that you create, I suppose. That wasn't quite what I was thinking. And perhaps it's one you've never learned, and so you have to go about trying to learn it. And who can help you through it? And it could be like a 2 minute ceremony. It could be a 10 minute ritual. It could be a weekend long ritual. But I'd like to invite you to offer yourself to the power of a ritual and a ceremony, right? The legacy that it links you to, the depth of meaning, the sort of dimensions and worlds that it crosses. Are similar to what we like to be feeling in an AJ1 art. It's not simply moving the mechanics of my body around. It's, you know, inspiring the spirit, right? Lighting a fire in the heart, etc. So I hope that one works for you. Appreciate you very much. Thank you.